I need cars for my GTA game, so I'll create a deformable arcade-based, physics-based racing game in 3 days. Why? Because I like to suffer. Yeah. Like always, I opened up Unity and created a new project. And staring at this vast horizon, I realized that to create a racing game, we need, a car, because we need something to race with. So with the help of Unity's Pro Builder, I created a hyper-realistic car model within Unity. It's not that bad. And to make our car move, we apparently need to set up these wheel colliders. And with that, we have our car ready to move. Ignore that. So just like that, we have a car move. Flying. Okay, I fixed it. It's standing still. Now we need a camera. So I used Cinemachine to create a third-person camera. The car looks disgusting right now, I know. We'll fix that, but first let's get our car moving. So after an intense coding session and hacking Pentagon,
The objective of the attack was to hack our military network.
our car moves, but our wheels don't rotate, nor can we steer it. And after a bit more of that sweet coding, I got my car movement working with no problems at all. Our wheels now rotate and we can steer our car. Pretty cool. And yeah, I made the car red. And this is what happens when you crash a car in GTA 5 versus in our game, nothing. So we need some vehicle deformation, and there are two ways to do it. One, simply replace the car model with a damaged model as soon as it crashes. That's how games like Vice City and San Andreas did it. And second, move the vertices of the car at the impacted region for actual deformation. And that's how games like GTA 5 does it. But it's not that simple, and we have only 3 days, so we'll go with mesh replace vertex deformation. Yeah, the way GTA 5 does it. And our car certainly does not have enough vertices for vertex deformation. So I went to my favorite place, Sketchfab, and found this awesome free car model by 3D Error 404. Oh, you juicy little b****. I'm pretty sure he's an ex-web developer. I bought it into Unity and coded up logic for the force applied on vertex. And with that, we have our vertex deformation. It's a bit too intense. So I reduced the intensity and I added some noise to make the deformation sharper, and also made the parts like doors and hood detachable. With that, we have our deforming car, and we reached the end of day 2. We have 24 more hours and a shitload of work to do. So I created a pending list of tasks to start on tomorrow, and I really need to get some sleep now. Remember I created a road tool in my previous GTA video? Yeah, I threw that in the bin because I already showed you it's possible, but I don't want to spend more time creating trivial stuff. Instead, I got Spline Architect. I created a road mesh, guardrails, and scripts for terrain deformation and mesh duplication to build this hilly level with curvy roads, foliage, and rocks. I spent over 15 of the remaining 24 hours doing this over a couple of days. I also created a muddy road and some breakable wooden guardrails. I'll admit it, I'm guilty of spending way too long breaking these because it's really fun. I added the shiny sun, god rays, and some other stuff I'll show you later. With that, we have our level ready. Almost. Level design is done, but we have these many pending tasks. We have only 7 more hours, so I'll pick up the most important part first. Sound design. Starting with the car itself, I saw Danny's this video. I probably can do that, but I really don't have time, so I got some sound effects from Pixabay and set those up with some code. Now, what is a racing game without someone to race against? So let's get this ghost car and timer done. Timer was easy, so I tackled it first, then I added a start and finish line, and I wrote a script that basically recorded my position in the level at every frame as I drove to the finish line. Then I just created a ghost car and gave it a script that would read and replay these recorded transformations, thus we have an opponent to race against. Then I picked up car health, such that after car damage exceeds certain threshold, the game's over and you have a retry menu. But unfortunately, I don't have enough time to take up main menu. We have reached the end of 72 hours, so this is our game. I'll make another video where I'll add more levels and polish the game with the main menu and finally release it. Like and subscribe if you liked the video and dislike if you didn't, and stay tuned for the next one. See you next week.